in Elgin. If you are searching for a locksmith, Elgin Locksmith is the reliable name in protection solutions. Elgin Locksmiths provides 24-hour urgent situation service, including household, industrial, and automotive locksmith services. The customer service is retained by Elgin Locksmith is unparalleled to any other company, since our clients have experienced the best solution for their needs only from us. We have become the distinguished locksmith services provider in Elgin area. In Elgin, our locksmith services are accessible in Elgin. So call Elgin Locksmith 773-257-7594.